What's going on, peoples? It's your boy BMACK'S Corner. This is my YouTube channel. Doing an unboxing on Core Essentials Garrison 1.75 belt. It's pretty awesome. For those who don't know, this is an EDC belt slash range belt. They call it a range belt because it's 1.75. It's pretty much an EDC belt that's pretty big and can withstand range. You know, if you go into the range, you want to wear it on the outside or however you want to use. Doing a quick unboxing on it. Let's see what we get in the packaging. We got this. We got the actual belt wrapped in plastic. Let's pull that out. Core Essentials instruction manual. I've already watched a bunch of reviews on it. I already know how to do the instruction sizing and all that good stuff. So I just want to show you what comes in the box. Hopefully it fits through a pair of jeans, but this is the bigger size, the 1.75. And I also ordered a t-shirt. So they stuck the t-shirt inside the packaging for the box. Let's see what size we got. I think I ordered a large. Uh-oh. Yeah, I ordered a large. Had all kind of sizes, but I'm not that big right now. Stretch this t-shirt out. T-shirt feel pretty good. Hopefully it fit about medium size on me, but also good enough for EDC. I'm gonna open up this packaging and it feels like this has the actual buckle in it. So the buckle comes in this bag. You get your belt in this bag and you get a set of instructions. Pretty cool. Give me 2 seconds to open this up. I'm gonna have to set the phone down. Hold up. Alright, I ripped it open. Here's what we got. Bubble wrap packaging. So, gun belt buckle. Here's where the meat and potatoes is of this product. It is all within this buckle. All the magic. The ratcheting system and setup. So you pretty much buy this belt and it's a one size fits all unless you're larger than usual. And you have to cut it to your size. Fold it down. You have to unscrew these with the hex that comes with it. Once you cut it, you'll stick it in here, clamp it down and lock it down in there, and this right here will be your quick release with the ratcheting system that they have. All gun toters, this is a must. You probably should buy this before you buy your gun, honestly. See that? So I haven't even put anything on it. I'm just gonna hold it up for you. That's what it looks like out the packaging. Yeah, it looks frayed, but I mean, if you wanted to, you could just stick the buckle on the end of this right here, and if you're larger, you can stick the buckle on the end of that and try it out. See how wide that worked for you, or go on the inside and it has the measurements. Largest size is 54 all the way down to a 28. You just cut way over your pant size and leave enough room for your inside the waistband holster. That's it. Just a quick short I'm going to show you. That's about it. Quick unboxing. Thanks. Subscribe, like. See you to the next gear. So I'm about to add more to the video. Forgot to show. So yeah, like I said, here's the hex and the extra screws that you get. They also send you a belt loop to go on the belt. It's also Velcro. Looks like, yeah, that's Velcro. So you could actually put the belt on and then wrap that on. So that's pretty cool. This is my old belt, just a old Dickies leather work belt that I done worn out like hell. So, you know, this really wasn't good for no kind of belt carry. This is my work belt. Just been wearing it, replacing it with this as a everyday carry, so I can add my concealed carry. And look at the difference. This is an EDC belt. Look how you can hold up. This is just a regular Walmart get a belt, and you know, it's easy to carry with a real belt, a real EDC belt. And I want to show you how it fits. This is a pair of Carhartt work jeans. Pulled out my normal EDC belt, which really ain't an EDC, I would say. It's more of trash. And look at that. So hopefully it fits into my Levi's and any other pair of pants that I have. But you can see it easily slides. No fight, no fuss. So order it fast. Deuces. So I keep adding clips to this belt. This belt is awesome. I put the belt on in my jeans, and the way it supports way better than just a normal belt. It trips me out. Like these Carhartt work jeans are way bigger than I like, and they hold them up awesomely. Way better than a normal, you know, regular style belt. Also, I'm about to put this shirt on so you can see the difference in the size, so you'll know how to order to accommodate you know, your everyday carry inside the waistband or concealment or however you're doing it. Give me 2 seconds to take my shirt off I have now. All right. So you can see, this is a large, how large fit. I'm not that big, but this is a large, and I feel like it's pretty nice for concealment. The shirt I had on was extra large, and it fit kind of huge. So this is a large, and if somebody looking for you to be printing, they're gonna find it. But if an everyday person's not gonna see it, so if you're not that big like me, I probably wouldn't go too big with the shirt. I got the normal one with the core on the back. Don't have a cameraman, so that's what you get right there. Alrighty.
Check it out. Daddy's bed was right here.
Yeah, Daddy doing a video. Alright, deuces, Pete.